Apple has big plans for the camera on the 2019 iPhone, according to a new report. The folks over at Apple tracking site Mako Takara have cited sources who claim to have knowledge of Apple's plans. These sources say that the company is planning a triple lens camera system in this year's iPhone 11. The report, which was floated in January by OnLeaks and Digit India in a mock-up, suggests that Apple's triple lens design will only be available in the higher-end versions of the iPhone 11 to entice folks to the more expensive options. Interestingly, the Mako Takara report, which was earlier cited by 9to5Mac, suggests that the design floated in the OnLeaks report might be accurate. Specifically, Mako Takara says that there will likely be a square area that houses the cameras in the iPhone 11. The report did not, however, say whether the cameras will be aligned in a triangle fashion as they are in the OnLeaks and Digit India render, or if the flash and lenses will be in a square layout. We've been hearing rumors for months now that suggest Apple is working on a triple lens camera system to keep pace with Samsung, Huawei, and other companies that are eyeing more than just a dual lens camera system. Much of the speculation centered on a report from the Wall Street Journal in January that said a triple lens array was coming. At that time, the journal's sources said that Apple would make the camera array available on the higher-end versions, so many believed that it would only come to the replacement for the iPhone XS Max, which is currently the top pick on our best smartphone list. However, the Mako Takara report says that Apple wants to offer the camera array on both the small and larger iPhone versions, instead of differentiating the devices by screen size. It'll place the triple cameras on the handsets with more storage, according to the report. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel and to click on the bell, to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.